Digi offers their family of 6310DX LTE routers, which provide a reliable, secure, and scalable business continuity failover solution. These routers come with upgradable core plug-in LTE modems, featuring dual SIM cards and Carrier Smart Select to automatically switch between carriers including Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, and T-Mobile. When using core plug-in LTE modems, users can upgrade at any time and change to LTE Advanced, Standard LTE, or LTE with EVDO fallback without replacing the router. Furthermore, this family of routers can be used as the primary 4G LTE data connection or as a backup network solution for business continuity. The 6310DX can be located where the cellular reception is the strongest. Ideal applications for these indoor routers include retail, commercial, and industrial.